Next is sum. Forces of magnitude 13 Newton and 14 Newtons act at the point O in the directions shown in the diagram. So here is O, 13 Newton is acting at an angle theta, 14 Newton is acting here. The resultant of these forces has magnitude 15. What you need to underline is resultant. What is the formula for resultant? Resultant is nothing but square root of Rx square plus Ry square. Of these forces has magnitude 15. So that resultant is given to me that it is equal to 15. That is the meaning of that line. Now find the value of theta. Find out Rx, replace here, find out Ry, replace here. Simplify, you will get the value of theta. Now how much is Rx? If I assume it to be x-axis, how much will I get for Rx? 14 no need to be resolved. 13 is acting at an angle, so to resolve 13 I drop the line down. So instead of walking in this way, I could have walked like this and like this. Now this is adjacent to theta, so it becomes 13 cos theta. This is opposite to theta, so it becomes 13 sin theta. Now what all are acting in positive x-axis? 14, and in negative x-axis 13 cos theta is your Rx. Now Ry. Only one force is acting, which is 13 sin theta. Clear? Place these two in that and you get the value of theta. Square root goes that side, it becomes 15 square, and in place of Rx, this one, 14 minus 13 cos theta whole square, plus in place of Ry, this one, 13 sin theta whole square equal to 15 square. Square root has gone to the other side. Now here you need to use a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2 into 2ab is this one. Plus, now this square applies to 13 and also to sin theta. So 13 square is 169 sin square theta equal to 225. Now this is 196 plus 169 cos theta. 2 into 14 into 13. You get 364 cos theta plus 169 sin square theta equal to 225. How can I simplify it further? 169 cos square theta. If you observe, 169 can be taken common from both. So it becomes 196 plus, if I take 169 common, what do I get? Cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 364 cos theta equal to 225. In trigonometry, I told you, cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. So this becomes 196 plus 169 minus 364 cos theta equal to 225. Make theta the subject. To do that, send this entire thing to the other side. 196 plus 169, bring 225 this side. Minus 225 equal to 364 cos theta. Send 364 to the other side. So it becomes by 364. I want theta, so theta becomes cos inverse. Cos inverse of 140 by 364, which will give you the answer 67.3 is the value for your theta. Is it clear?